Hey guys, what's up? Ever since I moved my bookcases to a new position, this part of my room feels kind of empty, so I decided to fill it in with a small tea station. First, I started by assembling this IKEA cabinet to display all the tea-related things, and to also store my bags because I currently didn't have a proper place to store them. At first, I tried reading the manual, but then I gave up and just searched for the tutorial instead because the manual was really hard to understand. I put all the small items on this tray so I don't end up losing them. Based on the manual, this is supposed to be assembled by 2 people, but since I didn't have anyone to help me because I was doing this late at night around 11 PM, I had to do it alone. And as you can see, I was struggling hard to build this cabinet. Oh! They made it look so easy in the tutorial. After a lot of hardship later, I was finally done with the cabinet. Woo! When I looked at the small bookcase next to it, I realized that it looked pretty cluttered with all the cables and other things that I stored there.
Oh, disgusting!
So I decided to cover it with a curtain. I couldn't find a curtain small enough for it, so I had to make one myself. If only I had a sewing machine with me, this would have been over in a jiffy, but I didn't have one, so I had to hand sew it manually, which took quite a while. The result wasn't perfect, but I was pretty satisfied with it. Next, I used this small curtain pole to hang the curtain in the bookcase. And ta-da! Everything is neatly covered now.
Now that's more like it.
Now that I'm done with the cabinet and the bookcase, it's time to prepare the items for the tea station. I wanted the colors of the items to match, so I decided to spray paint my bamboo trays pink. I had to watch more YouTube tutorials before doing this because honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. After sanding the tray, I used my PC air duster to blow off any leftover residues so they don't stick to the spray paint later. While waiting for the paint to dry, I began preparing the other items. I got these jars to store my tea and my hot chocolate. Don't worry, I had already washed them off camera before using them. I got this electric tea kettle as well to boil the water later on. And I got these fake books for decoration so the shelf doesn't look too empty. This is actually a mousepad, but it's too small to be used as a mousepad, so I just use it here. And I put this bunny plush here to make the place look cuter. I placed my jars, tea set, and mug here to keep them organized. And then I continued putting the rest of the items in place. And ta-da! I'm finally done with my new tea station. Now this part of my room doesn't feel empty anymore. So anyway, that's all from me today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. And if you enjoyed this video, then you might be interested in seeing my bookcase decorating video. You can click here to watch it. I'll see you guys later then. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye!